So it's been a couple years, but I have a new project for the movie world, and I pulled out some of my old samples to just for motivation and inspo for me, and figured, hey, I've got them all out. May as well share some of this stuff, which may have never been seen by a lot of folks. Some of them I've put in videos before, but overall, some of these are some new pieces. Just some examples of how we used to package videos, DVDs, Blu-rays, all that kind of home entertainment stuff over the past couple years. Emmy consideration package for TLC Learning Channel. And hey, here you go. Flashback. VHS video gems. This is one of my favorite movies, by the way. Frankenstein by Andy Warhol. Just threw that in there because I found it in my stack of stuff. Loads of different ways that we used to package DVDs. Some amazing titles here. This is one of my favorite DVDs, this Jordan collection. Used a foil stock here and created almost like a holographic effect for this particular title. Cars was a tin metal pack, which I really dig. Nice piece. Some paperboard options, Pulp Fiction, little see-through window, Jackie Brown the same. Nice little see-through window, obviously. Open it up and you get your DVDs. Blah, 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 blah. Nice. So putting these packages back together is a challenge for me sometimes. Hoosiers, great movie, and just a fun emboss on this. Nice tactile emboss. Again, like I said, I've shown some of these, but here, little Grease action that has Chuck Berry in it. But anyway, hold your DVDs. The same with the Pink Ladies from Grease. Hold your DVDs. The iconic sock from American Pie holds some good stuff in there. This was a really fun one for keeping up appearances. Not the DVD, but this was a gardener's basically apron. Came with some seed packets that represented each of the amazing women in this show. Had little plant stakes that went in there. I have them somewhere, but I don't know where they went. So yeah, great piece. That was a lot of fun. Hey, shown this before, but good old Iron Man. Nice little injection molded piece. This is the Book of the Dead. This is really cool. It's like those old rubber masks that we used to have, but they created a full cover out of it. Gives you all the information about the Book of the Dead. Got your little, where's your DVD? Boom, there you go. I actually have this one for a change. Nice. Ooh, look at a little ear action. So yeah, great piece. A friend of mine worked on this, Kelly Kuntz. She is a fantastic designer and artist, and I was lucky enough to get one of these samples. Amazing acrylic outer with a metal bullet embedded in it with some print to make it look like it's shattered. Very beautiful wrapped linen texture on this. I'm sure that had something to do with the movie. Inside, matte and gloss. This really cool little piece right here that just lifts off. Has again another little bullet end on it, metal piece. Then you'd have your movie, and then you got this really cool. I hope this is coming through. This reflection's terrible. I don't want to take this plastic off. But anyway, it's a really cool lenticular from the movie. Shows a scene in the movie, an iconic scene from the movie. So amazing piece. One of my favorites, actually. I really dig that piece. Along those lines, Spore. I believe I showed this before, but this is another plastic outer. This was artwork created by a famous artist that was put on this package. Die cut, well, I guess injection molded spare out there to show the movie through the package. This is one of the last movies I worked on in the corporate world when I was working in my corporate gig. Star Wars. This is the Force Awakens. This was a great piece, lenticular inset into this rigid outer, foil stamping. Obviously was this a digipack, something like that? With your movies, which I don't get. I don't have the movies. Bummer, like most of my packaging. And then a couple standard, what I consider standard options. This is one with an APET sleeve that can see through to the inner digi, which this was on a holographic stock, and you can see some of the holographic effect coming through that logo. Really effective piece. And as simple as this is, I really love this Desperate Housewives piece. The outer is an A-pet with the characters printed on it, and the inner is this, I forgot what this material is called, but it's really cool. It's got a lot of amazing depth and movement in it, and basically we just kind of tipped that onto the outer. Actually, I didn't work on this. I should say my company tipped that onto the outer, and it just makes for a really interesting effect where this outer A-pet piece shows through to that texture. So that's it. Hey, welcome to the wonderful world of home entertainment from way back in the days.